my YouTube channel. If you're watching me for the first time, I am Shreya and I make videos on fashion, lifestyle and much more. Today's video is my first ever Nykaa haul from 2021 and I'm super excited and super thrilled to share with you guys the amazing and super affordable products to keep in mind. And without any further ado, let's just begin with today's video. So let's just quickly start with the first box. I'm just quickly gonna take one thumbnail. So good for thumbnail, I think so. So let's just start with the small box first. I think this one only has one product which I ordered it. So this is what the product looks like. So this one is Bajaj Almond Drops and it is a non-sticky hair oil and the MRP of this one is Rs 175 and it is of 300 ml. So this is how the product looks like. You know, previously Bajaj Almond Drops used to come in glass bottles, but now it comes in plastic bottles. So breakage का डर नहीं रहता है, but it's a very light. पहले वो ज़्यादा heavy होता था. Let me know in the comment section down below if you guys use Bajaj Almond Drops. I don't use any oil on my hair. I don't use any oil on my hair actually. No coconut oil, nothing. I don't use any. So this one says it's non-sticky. This one I particularly got for my mom because she wanted something light and non-greasy. So if you guys are using this Bajaj Almond Drops, let me know as to how it is. So next I'm just quickly gonna open this whole lot of big box. So this has got chunks of products inside. So the first product which I am seeing in front is this packet of cotton balls. It has got 50 pieces cotton balls. This is how it looks like. So while ordering from Nykaa, I saw that वो एक variant है जिसमें it's all white in color and this one had multicolor. So I chose the multicolor one. This is how it looks like. So it's super good and super affordable. I think I paid somewhere around 40 or something. All the prices will be mentioned on the screen and everything will be mentioned in the description box down below. The links will be given. So please don't forget to check it out if you guys are planning to buy this. So this is super good for removing makeup and everything. Next which we have is this Nivea talcum powder. It's called skin powder. So this is how it looks like. It's chotu sa pack. I think it comes in 100 grams. So this is, I think, that anybody can use. It's gentle care and reliable protection. It's of Nivea. So this is how it looks like. So my camera's battery is almost over. As you all know that I don't use any Asa soaps. I use handmade soaps or I use Shahjas most of the time. So this time I ordered Biotic Bio Parsley and Basil soap and I hope that goes on well. I used previously of their soap of the almond variant and it was really good. So I gave a try this time for the Biotic Bio Parsley. Next up which we have, you see me struggling with things because of the packaging. Oh god. So the next stuff which we have is Wadi Herbal Strawberry Lip Balm. This is how it looks like. Previously in my Nykaa haul I had shown the blueberry variant one and this time I thought ki strawberry wala bhi ek le lete hai. So this is one more Biotic Bio Neem face wash. You will see me using this most of the time. I do all these things while shooting my videos. अच्छा हुआ कि plastic का ये टूटा नहीं. So this one I got it for one of my sisters. She was saying ki this one is good and everything, so I got it for her. I hope that she likes it. So this one is of 150 ml. This is how it looks like. So that was it for my Nykaa haul. It was compact, it was good, and let me know which product is your favorite and which one did you like the most. Let me know. That was it for today's video, guys. I do really hope that you guys had enjoyed watching this video, and if you guys purchase any of the products which I've shown in this picture, let me know and DM me on my Instagram. I will be super happy that कि मेरी recommendation के अंदर आप लोगों ने वो shopping किया है and it would really mean the world to me. So I'll be super happy. And if I'm looking towards that side, it's because I have a huge gigantic mirror that side, because it helps me, because मेरे कैमरा में वो फ्रंट स्क्रीन नहीं है वो LCD का. सो मुझे वो कभी कभी समझ में नहीं आता है कि मतलब प्रोडक्ट्स आप लोग को सही तरीके से दिख रहा है या नहीं, if my whole face is getting visible on the screen or not. So वो मुझे कभी कभी बहुत प्रॉब्लम होता है. So I try to place a mirror so that I can see myself also, and कुछ भी recording हो रहा है. So that just helps me, because I don't shoot with my phone and I don't use any ring light. So I use the natural light which is coming towards from my window. So it is a whole lot of process. I have to shoot in the morning and everything, so to get the perfect lighting. Let me know in the comment section down below if you guys have any video requests, or if you have any suggestion, or if you have any makeup look requests. Let me know. I will be happy to keep your request. I will try to. And super amazing giveaways coming up on my channel, so stay tuned for that. And many more giveaways, many more amazing and exciting videos are coming up. So I'm just gearing up for 2021. Let's just see how all that goes. Till then, stay safe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.